Did you know that water spinach
is one of those vegetables that is richest in iron? And it grows wild. In many of the drains and waterways we see
water spinach,
but it can be grown safely at home, very simply. All we've done is created a little pond and we just put some stones in it and planted the water
spinach.
And you have vegetables throughout the year, beautiful, organically grown, clean, all in your backyard, easily accessible for the whole family. And if you don't have a little pond, you can create a little basin, a bit of soil and a little bit of few roots are in it, and before you know it, you will have healthy green
water spinach.